Annalise, you want to put your cast back on?
No.
You sure?
No.
You want to look at it?
No.
You want to ever see it again? Was that on your foot?
Is this?
I see it. I see Annalise.
How's your foot feel?
Your foot feels better?
Are you all better?
Ooh.
Is it dirty? How's it smell? How's it smell, Annalise? Oh, thanks. Put it back in my purse.
Get rid of that, Mommy.
Annalise, can you wave hi to Daddy?
Do you want me to put this in the garbage, Annalise?
No.
She said yeah.
We're going to save it.
Well, I know. But she wants to put it in the garbage.
Are you going shopping? Are you going to go shopping? See ya.